Hi, today I am going to show you how Fullscreen background plugin works and how we can configure it on our WordPress setup. I have already installed the Fullscreen background plugin in my WordPress setup. I am going to go setting page with you. So this is the setting page of this plugin. We have bunch of options here. The first option is select page to display Fullscreen background. This setting gives us 4 options: home page only, all pages, specific page and specific post. I'm going to select the home page only option first, and we need to select the full screen background type. I'm going to use the default option, that is image, and we upload the image and see its effect. We save it and we see its effect. See, the full screen background plugin is showing the full screen background image on our home page. Now if we want the same background on all the pages, we just need to select the all pages options. We save it and let's see if the same background is on all the pages. This is home page, this is my account page, we have this image, this background. Sample page, we have this background, same. Privacy, test page. So all the pages is having the same background as we have selected on our setting. Now if you want this specific background only for specific page or specific post, then we can also do this. For example, I'm going to use specific page option. This will give us another option to select the page. For example, I just want to use it on full screen demo. We just need to save it and we need to refresh it. It is gone from the test page and home page and every other page, but it will display on the full screen background demo because we have selected to show only for this page. So this is having full screen background. There is another the full screen background type. We can also change it. If we want to use video on this, we just need to select the type as video and we need to use the video or upload the video, and we save it, and the full screen background image will turn into the video we have selected in the admin. So this is the video which is showing. So this is how full screen background plugin works. All the options are already self-explanatory, but I want to point three specific options we have, specific setting, that is enable shadow, make transparent, and this one remove the background at multiple items at once. To add a shadow on a full screen background page, for example, we have this video on the full screen background demo page, but you don't have any shadow. If you want to enable a shadow, it will make a little shadow on the page. This will give a little good effect on the background. You can see it, the shadow is added. Similarly, in some WordPress setup, user may want to make the header transparent. In that case, we just need to select the make header transparent enable, and for this page the header will be transparent. On any other page the header will be same, but for this particular page where full screen background is enabled, the header will be transparent. Now if I'm going to disable both for the time being, so that I can show you the third important setting, that is remove background of multiple element at once. This setting is generally used by the developer or the designer who knows HTML and CSS. So to remove background on multiple elements at once, we just need to use comma separated class or comma separated ID. For example, we have a bunch of elements in here, and if we want to, suppose we want to make a footer as transparent, we just need to add class of this footer. I'm going to add the footer class here, and if we save it, it will remove the footer background, it will make the transparent footer. So this is how Fullscreen background plugin works, and you can check all the settings. If you have any issue, you can contact us on our support. I hope this video helps you. Thank you and goodbye.